Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to create and assign subtasks with deadlines on Asana, a game changer for project management. First off, you need to open the parent task. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Subtask button at the right corner of the screen. This is the first step to breaking down your main task into smaller, manageable chunks. Next up, you'll want to give your subtask a description. The reason we do this is to provide clarity for your team members so they know exactly what they need to do. Now let's assign it to a team member. To do this, click on the Assignee button and select the team member from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it ensures responsibility is clearly defined. The next part is crucial. We're going to set a deadline for the subtask. Click on the Due Date button and select a date from the calendar that pops up. This helps us because it sets a timeline for the task and keeps everyone on track. Now that you've set a deadline, you might want to add some notes or attachments to provide more context. Click on the Add Attachment or Add Comment buttons to do so. Let me explain why this matters. It ensures that everyone has the same level of understanding about the task. And that's it. You've now created and assigned a subtask with a deadline on Asana. Feel free to repeat these steps for as many subtasks as you need. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the key to efficient project management is breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks. Until next time, happy organizing.